Hello guys, it's Owen here, Jack / Bomblow's best friend. We're going to have a fresh story. We're going to scare Jack for this video. Let's see how we do. Let's try to scare him good. Hi Jack! What was that? It was a monkey. A monkey.
I don't know why I brought a monkey. And let me take that from you. Today we are gonna do a house tour of Owen's house. And Owen, why did you scare me, you little punk?
I would love.
And this is also Owen. He's gonna be a future YouTuber, but he's not one right now. Oh my gosh! And
this is my office. No, my dad's office.
it's your dad. We were watching one of my videos, so yeah. And here is their like little playroom and stuff. Oh my gosh, Lily! That's Owen's little sister. What were you thinking? No crab mug and things. So this is their living room with their giant long house couch and their inflatable mattress.
I need to introduce someone.
Wait, no, Mason. Owen, come here.
I need to introduce the donkey. Say hi to Bob. Bob's blue, and Bob is a dummy.
Here, record me trying to run through that. Okay? You guys not me expense. That's not a good run. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Ready? Move off the couch.
Ow.
All right. And I'll take that. And this is Lily's room right here with a flying unicorn. Little stuffed animal collection. How is it, Lily? This is Owen's room. It's a bit messy.
Money.
It's a bit messy.
Yeah, buddy.
We don't need to see that. And I think that's all of Nope. This is Dad's office.
That's the workshop.
Humongous. Well, zoom in. Come on.
Wait. There's also some guns up there.
I'm not going to talk about that. I'm going to get demonetized, dude. I'm going to have to pay money. Stop it.
So then the toys that these are my stairs.
I'm going to beat you up. And of course, a little slow and lost. And this is Mason's room with a giant pillow.
And what's out here? What's down here?
But it's a pillow fort.
Yeah,
That collapsed.
that's baby stuff.
Look at this little dinosaurs that you wanted to show me earlier.
No. It was over here.
And that's pretty much upstairs, just Mason's room. No, I'm kidding. That's not all upstairs.
We have a bathroom.
You don't see that's dark in there. It's like a baby room or something. This is like, what is this actually?
A living room.
Another one? That's another living room.
And here's another living room, and there's our kitchen.
Dining room?
Yeah.
That's messy right now.
Yeah,
But not yet. This is whatever it is. I don't know what
laundry room.
This is our mom and dad's room. I'll just quickly get out of here. Another privacy.
This is a shoe room.
So that's pretty much it, but I'll show you a quick peek of outside.
Show my dad's face.
I look like Patrick for a second. Not you. Wait. Patrick's D-star. Okay.
It's snowing.
It's snowing outside, and I am wearing a t-shirt.
I'm wearing shorts.
And a t-shirt. Yeah, it's kind of what people would call wacky weather here. And I just got hit by a snowball. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for joining me on Owen's house tour, or my friend's house tour. And I'll see you guys all in the next one.
What about me?
See ya.